Hare Krishna, my name is Ashray Gauranga Das on behalf of Congregational Development Ministry. In this video, we shall talk about Bhakti Vriksha training program. This Bhakti Vriksha system is a very effective and powerful tool for development of congregation. And this Bhakti Vriksha system has been successful in many parts of the world, like Russia, China, UK, South America, Middle East, and also in India like Bangalore and Kolkata. Seeing the success of this Bhakti Vriksha system, ISKCON GBC has recommended all the temple presidents to adopt Nahamata or Bhakti Vriksha program for developing their congregation. And also, being ordered by Jayapataka Maharaj, Congregational Development Ministry has come up with very powerful and effective Bhakti Vriksha training program. Many devotees were also asking me to share my experience of preaching Bhakti Vriksha in Calcutta, where I was preaching since 18 years the Bhakti Vriksha program, and we had developed around 150 Bhakti Vriksha groups having 2,000 to 3,000 very sincere practicing devotees. In this Bhakti Vriksha training program, we shall focus on 4 major areas. Number 1, how to start a new Bhakti Vriksha, or how to get more people join in our existing Bhakti Vriksha. Number 2, how to conduct a Bhakti Vriksha class very effectively. Number 3, how to organize a one-time program or a seminar. Number 4, the dynamics of Bhakti Vriksha management structure. So, point number 1, how to start. So, we have 3 different approaches to start a new Bhakti Vriksha or get more people. The first approach is a massive preaching program like Rath Yatra festival, Janmashtami or Gaur Purnima, Ramnavami, etc., where we get lakhs of people come to our place. In second approach, we do a one-time program like some slides of presentation seminar in a housing complex or some residential colonies. In third type of approach, we have a house program in some devotee's house where the devotee invites his friends and family and start a program. So these are the 3 different approaches we shall discuss elaborately. One example of a massive preaching program is Kolkata Rath Yatra. In this Rath Yatra Pandal program, we get hundreds and thousands of people visit our Pandal. We put up from Bhakti Vriksha department an exhibition and quiz contest stall, where we get approximately 10,000 people to participate in our quiz contest, out of which near about 1,000 people register for Bhakti Vriksha one-time program. And after doing one-time program, we get around 400 to 500 people join Bhakti Vriksha. So how to conduct such type of massive preaching program effectively? I will share my experience, some techniques and method, so that you can get proper result after putting lot of effort in this program. We will also explore how to conduct effectively a weekly Bhakti Vriksha class, which has 6 parts like icebreaker, kirtan, mantra meditation, topic discussion, preaching and prasadam, so that the people feel interested to coming continuously. This training program will be held for 6 days for 5 hours daily. Each student will be asked to demonstrate practically what they have learned during the class. That means there will be a demo class performed by each student, and all other students including the facilitator will be giving feedback. A completion certificate will be provided by ISKCON Congregational Development Ministry. So thank you for watching the video. If you are interested to participate in this training program, or if you want a training program to be held for your temple or for your yatra, you are most welcome. You can contact myself or Congregational Development Ministry. My contact number and email ID are given in this video. So please subscribe this channel, share and like this video. Hare Krishna.